Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Come back again with English. Learn English with Ustadz Andi Setiawan. Okay guys, so before we start, I would like you to take your attendance list first. So please type your name according to your number. Okay, so today we gonna learn will versus be going to. Okay, so firstly we will learn about will. Okay, so will we will use will first. Yang pertama, okay, first for the prediction. For example, you will get married and have 10 children. This is prediction. No one knows. It's only the prediction. And then for number 2, okay, quick decisions. Quick decisions, for example, I will have another cup of coffee, please. So for example, you are eating in a restaurant and then you want to add more. So you have a decision or you have a quick decision for it. So I will have another cup of coffee, please. And then for number 3, promise in bahasa janji. So for example, okay, I will or I'll call you tomorrow. So remember the function of will, first as the prediction, second quick decision, and then the last one is promises. Okay? Do you understand? Inshallah. Alhamdulillah. Next. The second one is be going to. Yeah. So what is the function of be going to? So before we continue, I would like you to know, yeah. So after will must meet or must followed by verb 1. For example, you will get. Okay, will have, will call. So verb 1. Okay, it goes the same with be going to. After be going to, they will meet verb 1. Okay, now what is the function of be going to? First one is plan. Okay, if you have a plan, then you can say, for example, I am going to practice hard to become a rock musician. So look at here. After to be going to, meet with practice. Practice is verb 1. Okay. So the first one is plan atau rencana. And then number 2, as prediction based on clear signs. Okay, prediction. It a bit same with will, but will it's only a prediction, while be going to, okay, based on clear signs. For example, look at those clouds, it is going to rain. Jadi faktanya jelas, lihat awannya, ya, awannya udah mendung, maka prediksi yang akan dikeluarkan adalah it is going to rain, hari ini akan hujan. Oke ya, jadi kalau prediction yang di will, it's only the prediction. Prediction in be going to based on clear signs. Oke ya, next. Okay, do you understand? If you don't understand, please type in our group or message me privately. Next, we will learn conjunction. Yeah. Conjunction to, in order to, and so that. Ustadz, what is the function? No. What is the meaning? Sorry, what is the meaning? The meaning it's same. Bisa, untuk, agar, supaya. Jadi semuanya sama artinya. Semuanya sama. Okay. Next, we gonna discuss about to first. To, okay. We use to plus verb 1 or main verb. Ya, verb 1 ini berarti nggak ada tambahan, nggak verb to, nggak ada ditambahin verb 1. What is the function? To say why we do something. For example, I am going to Ireland to visit my family. Okay, so pay attention with to here. Okay, so to here, okay, artinya untuk mengunjungi keluarga saya. So after to, verb 1. Next, I went to the post office to, ya, untuk membeli beberapa perangko. So buy, look at here, is verb 1. Okay, so after to must follow by verb 1. Okay, to is done. We gonna continue. Okay, we gonna continue. Now we gonna discuss. We gonna discuss in order. Yeah, in order not to, so as to, and so as not to. So in order and so as to, it has the same meaning. Agar, supaya. Oke. Nah, Ustaz, kok ada not-nya? Not itu untuk bentuk negatifnya. Ya, not itu untuk bentuk atau pernyataan yang negatif. For example, ini Ustaz kasih contoh ya. Saya memasang alarm, ya, saya memasang alarm agar saya tidak ketiduran. Nah, agar saya tidak ketiduran atau agar tidak ketiduran. Nah, berarti kita ada tidaknya di situ, agar tidak ketiduran. Jadi kita pakai not, itulah fungsi dari not. Now let's go to the material. We can also use, ya. Look at here. After in order, ya, meet or follow by verb 1. It goes the same with so as to. Follow or meet by verb 1. Look at the example here. I'm going to Ireland to visit. I'm going to Ireland in order to visit my family. Ya. Nah, in order here artinya untuk, ya. I went to the post office so as to buy. Look at verb 1. Jadi contohnya Ustaz ambil sama yang to tadi sama biar supaya mudah. Jadi di sini arti in order sama so as to artinya untuk. Nah, now we're gonna look at the note. What is the difference between in order to with to? Okay. Firstly, in order and so as common before stated verbs. Stated verbs itu apa Ustaz? Contohnya kayak be, have, know, appear, seem, hate, love, understand, like, forget, believe. Simply, stative verb, we cannot make a sentence especially for present continuous using stative verb. Jadi kita nggak bisa membuat kalimat present continuous pakai stative verb. Contohnya nih, kalau yang kalimat biasa, saya sedang belajar, saya sedang menulis, bisa. Tapi bisa nggak atau pernah nggak dengar, saya sedang mencintaimu? Nggak pernah, itu salah kalimatnya. Cinta ya cinta, nggak ada kata sedang. Saya sedang mengetahuimu, nggak ada. Saya sedang melupakanmu, nggak ada. Jadi kalau stative verb ini dia nggak bisa untuk kalimat present continuous tense. Okay, for example, she left work early in order to be, ya, in order to be at home with the children. Ya, di sini in order agar atau supaya artinya. Dia pulang dari pekerjaannya lebih awal agar di rumah atau agar bisa di rumah dengan anak-anaknya. Oke, jadi in order di sini artinya supaya. Next, before a negative infinitive we normally use as, so as, or in order. For example, nih lihat, ini yang saya bilang tadi kalimatnya negatif, ya. I am leaving now so as not to be late. Saya berangkat sekarang agar tidak terlambat, ya, agar tidak terlambat. Kan ada tidaknya, makanya kita pakai not. Ustadz, kalau pakai in order boleh? I am leaving now in order not to be late. Boleh pakai so as so, boleh pakai in order. Do not use number 3 ya. Do not use for before the infinitive of purpose. Jadi kita nggak boleh pakai for. Contoh, I phone Jenny. Saya memanggil Jenny, menelepon Jenny to invite her to dinner. Jadi nggak bisa kita bilang I phone Jenny ya for invite, nggak bisa, harus pakai to. Oke? Next, the last one is so that. Nah, so that ini artinya populernya jadi atau agar. So what is the function? To talk about a purpose. Jadi tujuan, misalnya saya berlari agar saya kurus, atau saya berlatih gym agar tubuh saya kekar. Jadi tujuannya ada, melakukan sesuatu tujuannya apa, pakai so that. Nah, biasanya dia pakai can, could, will, atau would. Itu gampang. Ini pakai to atau pakai in order atau pakai so that ya. Kalau so that biasanya ada kata can atau could atau will atau would. For example, I am saving money so that I can buy a new car. Jadi tujuan dia menyimpan uang agar dia bisa membeli mobil baru. Purpose-nya membeli mobil baru. Kok pakai so that oke, karena ada can-nya. Right? Nah, yang kedua, he studies hard so that he will get a good score. Kenapa pakai so that? Ya kan di sini ada will. Oke? Oke, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.